In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Salesforce QR code for the Authenticator. So let's dive right in and make this as simple and straightforward as possible. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account. Once you've made it inside, you want to direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll spot your profile icon, waiting for your click. Give it a little nudge, and you'll be greeted with a drop-down menu. From this menu, go ahead and select the Settings option. This menu is where all the magic starts. Once you're inside the Settings menu, you'll notice a variety of options at your disposal. Don't be overwhelmed. We're looking for one specific trail to follow. Keep your eyes peeled for the section labeled Advanced User Details. Give that a click. Depending on the speed of your connection, or if it's your first time accessing this section today, it might take a moment to load. A little patience here goes a long way, and soon enough, this section will surface, ready for your next move. Now that you're browsing through your advanced user details, it's time to locate the section you're really after, the Salesforce Authenticator. As you scroll through, you should spot it not too far down the page. Right next to this section, you'll see an inviting option to connect. An exciting step lies ahead, so click on that Connect button. This is where the magic begins. Once you hit Connect, on-screen instructions will guide you effortlessly through the next steps. You'll find that the process of generating your Salesforce Authenticator QR code is quite swift. Within moments, your QR code will be ready. Now, all that's left to do is to take your Salesforce Authenticator app or any other compatible Authenticator app you might be using and scan that freshly generated QR code. It's just as simple as that. With your QR code scanned, you've taken a significant step in bolstering the security of your Salesforce account. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Now you know how to get your Salesforce QR code for the Authenticator in a jiffy. Whether you're setting up Salesforce for the first time or simply reconfiguring your authentication methods, these straightforward steps have you covered. Enjoy the benefits of enhanced security with minimal hassle. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy guides just like this one. Happy securing, and see you in the next video.